everyone! Thank you so much for watching today's video. In today's arrangement, the star is not the flowers, but the leaves. And guess what? I'll also be using a surprising ingredient from the kitchen. Stay tuned until the end. Let's get started. For today's arrangement, I picked Dracaena Compacta. Sedum. Whoa, it looks like broccoli, right? It's a baby pineapple. Agapanthus. And Statice. Today I'll be arranging in a round vase. The star of today's arrangement is the plant Dracaena Compacta. In Ikebana, it's not always the flowers that take the spotlight. Sometimes the plants themselves become the main attraction. Today I'm going to use 3 Dracaena plants. I'll carefully look at all 3 and choose the one with the most beautiful artistic shape. Once I've chosen the branch, I check the size of the vase, imagine the overall height, and take measurements. At this stage, if you cut it too short, it's hard to fix later, so always cut a little longer than you think you need. Next, I'll arrange the second Dracaena. This one will be placed upright. I carefully look at its shape and observe which angle will make it look its best before arranging it. Next up, we have Sedum, shaped just like broccoli. I'll be using 2 stems of Sedum. I carefully look at both and place the one with the bigger head lower, and the lighter, smaller-headed one higher. If you are ever unsure which way to use them, try this method. So I'll set the stem with the bigger head lower. Then I place the lighter-headed one a bit longer. I'll say it again, don't cut it too short at the beginning. Next up, it's pineapple. Are you surprised that we're using a pineapple? I wasn't planning to use it, but I came across it at the flower shop and got so excited about its shape that I just had to buy it. Let's place the pineapple right in the center. Doesn't it look like it's actually growing there? Next, we have Agapanthus. Am I the only one who thinks it looks like fireworks? What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Just like the Sedum, I'll place the Agapanthus both in a lower position and higher one. Each material has its own unique shape and character. Take your time, have a little conversation with the flowers, and decide where they should go. Now I work on the third Dracaena. By adjusting the leaves a little, you can make their shape look neater and more beautiful. The more care you give to the leaves, the more it will affect the final arrangement. Finally, I'll add the Statice and it's complete. In Ikebana, choosing what to cut and what to keep can sometimes feel challenging. But once the piece is complete, just looking at it brings so much joy and peace. By trimming off these leaves, the shape looks much cleaner. It's a delicate step, so take your time and remove them one by one. That way, the whole arrangement will have a calm, poised elegance. When you take your time and really get absorbed in arranging flowers, it becomes a kind of meditation. And you know meditation is great for your mind and body, right? Would you like to try Ikebana? Let's have fun learning Ikebana together. ぜひ一緒に楽しく学んでいきましょう。All done! How does it look? I hope this video brings happiness and peace to your heart. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and inspiration. And if you'd like to be even more healed by the beauty of flowers, please check out my ebook. It's available both English and Japanese, so if you are interested in the Japanese language, be sure to take a look at the Japanese version too. You'll find all the details in the description box below. That's it for today's lesson. Thank you for watching till the end. See you next time. Bye!